Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Budejas, your online math teacher. In today's video, you will learn the properties of central and inscribed angles. Let's start. First, we have the inscribed angle theorem. This theorem states that the measure of an inscribed angle is always half the measure of its intercepted arc or the central angle. For example, in circle O, if measure angle AOC measures 80 degrees, then by the inscribed angle theorem, measure angle ABC is equal to 40 degrees because we just take the half of the central angle, which is 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. And that's why we have 40 for the measurement of the inscribed angle. And take note that we can use this inscribed angle theorem only if they shared the same intercepted arc. Here, they shared both the arc AC. Second is the semicircle theorem. This theorem states that if an inscribed angle intercepts a semicircle, then it is a right angle. For example, in circle O, since angle ABC intercept the arc AC, which is equal to 180 degrees, then by the semicircle theorem, measure angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees because we just take the half of the central angle, which is the straight angle. This one, the measurement of that is 180 degrees. So take the half of 180, we have 90 degrees. And according to semicircle theorem, if an inscribed angle intercepts a semicircle, then it is a right angle. Yeah, that's true. 90 degrees is a right angle. Now let's try some examples about the properties of central and inscribed angles. Number 1. In the given figure, measure angle DCE measures 110 degrees. We are to find the measure angle DFE or the inscribed angle. And take note they are sharing the same intercepted arc, so we can use the inscribed angle theorem. So to solve this, we are just going to take the half of the central angle, which is equal to 110. So therefore, we have the measurement of the angle DFE or the inscribed angle. Just divide the central angle by 2. You have 110 degrees divided by 2. Then we have 55. Therefore, the measurement of DFE or the inscribed angle is 55 degrees. Example number 2. In the given figure, suppose the measure angle TUV is equal to 4x minus 8 degrees and the measure angle TSV measures x plus 16 degrees. What is the measure angle TSV? Take note that TUV is the central angle because the vertex is at the center. And TSV is an inscribed angle because the vertex is on the circle. Now, since they shared the same intercepted arc, which is TV, then we can apply the inscribed angle theorem. First, set up an equation relating the two angles. Since TUV is a central angle and TSV is an inscribed angle that intercept the same arc, which is TV, we have the following equation using the inscribed angle theorem. This is half of the central angle. Our central angle is 4x minus 8. So we just take the half, and that's equal to the measurement of the inscribed angle. As given here, we have x plus 16. Then simplify. We will solve for x. To get rid of the rational expression, we'll just multiply by its denominator. So multiply both sides by 2. We have 2 divided by 2 is just 1. Then 1 times 4x minus 8 is just 4x minus 8. And on the other side, distribute this 2 to each term of the binomial. 2 times x, we have 2x. 2 times 16 is 32. Then, combining like terms, we will separate the variable term and the constant term. The variable term must be placed on the left side and the constant term on the right side. Now, 2x, we will transpose it to the other side since this is a variable term. It becomes negative 2x, and this negative 8, since that's a constant term, will transpose it to the right side. Negative 8, it becomes positive 8. Then solve. 4x minus 2x is 2x, and 38 plus 8 is equal to 40. Now, to get the value of x, we will divide both sides by 2. So, 2x divided by 2 is 1x or x, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. Third, determine the measure angle T as a V, or the inscribed angle, by substituting the value of x, which is equal to 20. Now, the expression for angle T as a V is x plus 16 degrees. Now, our x is 20, so we have 20 plus 16 degrees. And 20 plus 16 is 36 degrees. Then our measure angle T as a V is equal to 36 degrees. Now, I'm done with my discussion. Now, it's your turn. I want you to solve this individual practice. I have 2 questions here, or 2 problems. And please do comment your answers. And let's check if your answers are correct. That's all for today's discussion. Thank you for watching.